Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that has caught our attention, the LASOA Acrylic Display Case for Collectibles. If you're a collector or just someone who appreciates beautifully displayed items, you're in for a treat. We've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability of this display case. So, what exactly is the LASOA Acrylic Display Case? This clear showcase is designed specifically for displaying collectibles, figurines, models, and memorabilia. With dimensions of 10 inches by 6 inches by 14 inches, it provides an elegant space to showcase your prized possessions while protecting them from dust and damage. One of the standout features of this display case is its durable acrylic build. Made from premium clear acrylic, it boasts a mirrored back and base that not only enhances the visual appeal but also reflects light to create a captivating display. This modern design allows your collectibles to be the focal point while blending seamlessly into any decor style, whether it's minimalist, vintage, or eclectic. Now, let's talk about assembly. The LASOA display case is designed for quick and tool-free setup. When you receive it, the panels come with protective films to avoid scratches during transit. Simply peel off the double-layer protective film and snap the pieces together, no tools required. This ease of assembly is perfect for anyone who might need to disassemble and reassemble the case when moving or storing their collection. To make your experience even better, LASOA includes some thoughtful accessories with the display case. You'll find gloves to handle your collectibles without leaving fingerprints, a microfiber cloth for easy cleaning, a round plate for stability, and decorative LED string lights to illuminate your display. These additions help you create an engaging presentation right out of the box. Another key feature is the secure packaging. Each unit is packaged with foam inserts to prevent cracking or scuffing during delivery. Plus, the UV-resistant panels help reduce the risk of discoloration over time, ensuring that your collectibles remain in pristine condition while on display. So, who is this display case suitable for? It's perfect for collectors of all kinds, whether you're showcasing action figures, model cars, limited edition memorabilia, or even artistic figurines. This display case will provide a stylish and protective home for your treasures. It's also great for those looking to add a touch of elegance to their office or retail space, making it an ideal choice for business owners wanting to display products or awards in a polished manner. Now, let's consider some practical use cases. If you're an avid Funko Pop collector, this display case will allow you to showcase your figures without worrying about dust accumulation. For hobbyists who build models, this case provides a way to display your hard work while keeping it safe from accidental bumps. It's also a fantastic option for displaying memorabilia from special events, like concert tickets or sports jerseys, allowing you to reminisce while keeping everything neatly organized. In summary, the LASOA Acrylic Display Case is a fantastic solution for anyone looking to showcase their collectibles in a stylish and protective manner. With its durable build, tool-free assembly, and thoughtful accessories, it ticks all the boxes for a perfect display solution. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.